Hey you, do you want some code?
JavaScript is the single-threaded programming language. What does it mean? Well, being single-threaded means that only one set of instructions is executed at a time. It's not doing multiple things. And the biggest way to check that the language is single-threaded is, well, it has only one call stack. This one call stack allows us to run code one at a time. We are never running functions in parallel, as you saw. The stack keeps growing as we push new functions on the stack, and then we pop them one at a time. Now, initially in 1995, when JavaScript was born, this made things easy for implementation and for developers using the language, right? Because JavaScript was only initially a language useful for adding interactions on a web page, such as form validations or clicking a button. Nothing really requires having more than just a single thread. A good way to think about it is like this. Single-threaded means I'm a JavaScript engine and I'm eating with one hand. Putting food in my mouth, that is a function. And then using the same hand to grab the next food when I'm done chewing my food. I cannot put any more things in my mouth until I'm done chewing. And I also cannot grab any more food until I finish chewing. It's a single-threaded, one things at a time. And because of this, JavaScript is synchronous. There is a one thing at a time. In the order there is appears. Only one thing can happen at a time.